today we're going to be installing some function form type 1s. I already have some on the car right now. They're type 2s, but they're no good. So I got some brand new ones out the box. Yeah. Let's get these installed. So this is what I got. Function form type 1s. They're made for the Honda Civic 92 to 95. Acura Integra 94 to 2001. Probably gonna raise the car a tad bit, maybe to this height. I'm gonna keep this front here. The back looks a little low, so I'm gonna raise that a little bit. And let's see the ride quality. You can see in here. No, you can't see in there. Always, always, always have jack stands when your car's in the air. Remove the bolt down here that holds the fork, the bolt right here that holds the strut or shock, and then gotta remove the OEM strut tower or strap bar, sorry, and then this bolt and that bolt. And it'll all come out super easy. Alright, so I got the fork bolt out. It's this one. Here. They're both 17s. Focus. Never know how to focus. Alright. Now, gotta take this one out. Already loosened everything. The top already loosened, so after I take this out, take the fork out, this whole shock should come out. So yep, these are gone. Look at all that. These are gonna end up in the trash. They're no good. Ooh, look at that. Old compared to new. Bolts are all in, that's how it looks. And I left everything the same. I didn't adjust anything. We'll put the wheels on and see how it looks first before we do anything else. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting tired. Passenger side is now done, but my battery is dying on this. This thing is a freaking beast. It's Earthquake XT from Harbor Freight. Very good. I got that, and I got the smaller one. But it's running low on the batteries. I gotta find my other one. I know I have another battery pack. I guess I'll just spend a few minutes looking for that. Alright, so I just lowered the car and it is very low. This side is just sitting on the fender. So, it's time to adjust it. I don't know if I'm gonna get to the rears today, but it does look very good. Just very low. And I didn't want it that low, so. Alright, let's get it back in the air and adjust it. Ay, ay, ay. So there it is. This is the front. That's the height I wanted at. So when I installed it without adjusting anything from the factory, or from how it came from function form, this fender was sitting on the tire. And yeah, that's not good. So I raised it up. And there it goes. I did about 12 turns. I left the preloads alone. And I just lifted up from the shock. And there it goes. And then if I don't like it, I'll just adjust the preloads. But for now, I just adjusted the height of the shock. Looks good. Looks the same as before. Just now they're new coilovers. Finally. It only took about like 6 or 7 years. Oh, don't mind that. So here's the rear. These things are done. Ugly. Two up there. No expert, so totally forgot to do this. And then that one. And it should just drop down, I think. Yeah. Oh. I didn't need it that long. It's the only thing I hate about this one. I don't know why it's so hard to remove. Does anyone know why that happens? It gets caught. I don't know if it's because of this ring right here. It's a little dark. I don't know what it is, but the other gun is fine. It's just this one. It's super hard. It makes no sense. Alright, so I got this bolt taken out. And that one is right here. It's loosened. Cool. That's a 9/16. I gotta get this one out. Now I gotta open the trunk, get the 2 bolts from the top, and this thing should drop down. My trunk's already in pieces. It looks like this is the only thing that's holding it. Come on. I don't think it's gonna work. Alright. Let's see how to remove that. Still going at it. It's coming up. I'm surprised this thing's not broken yet. There's still threads on it. Too close. Oh well. My trunk is all in pieces. See? Look at this. You just tear it up back. Tear this back. Tear this down. I think that's the only thing that's holding everything in. Yep. And there it goes. The 2 bolts. Is it in? Is it in? Yep. Nice. And the other one. Can I gain access to it? Ooh, that one's on there. Jeez. Huh. Let's get the bigger one. Oh, please tell me this gun's gonna fit. That's it. Is it straight? Yep. Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Done. Yes. And now, let's figure a way to get this thing out. Oh, crap. Alright. Let me see. Shouldn't take too much effort. Let's try kicking this down and see if that falls out. Dang it. Wow. Forgot to take this bolt out. Okay. Alright, I'm a little stuck. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna try to take out the sway bar end link, and hopefully that gives me some wiggle room to push down this whole arm right here, so I can get this shock out. Let's see. Hopefully it works. Cross your fingers, please. Oh my God. They said the rear was easier. No, I don't think so. Oh my goodness. Oh. I love power tools now. Before I used to use only hand tools. I was like, I don't like power tools. I like to actually work and use my hands. But now I'm like, nah. Get the gun, bro. We're good. Alright, attempt number 2. It looks like it did release some tension off this, and hopefully it works. Come on. Oh, yes. Yes. Got it out, baby. Oh, and for the fronts, remember I told you I had to raise it up a little bit? So I didn't mess with this. If you mess with this, it's gonna mess with the preload. It's gonna tighten up the spring or loosen up the spring. What I messed with is right here. So you just adjust this. This will go up or down, and that'll lower or higher the height of the car. That's it. So you just, for me, I'm gonna raise it, so this is gonna keep going down. Boom! It's in. It's so much easier. But basically, you just put the fork through here, like that, and this just goes in. And you put 2 bolts in there just to hold it up, and you start putting all the bolts back in. Little sway bar end link is in. This bolt is in. They're both tightened already. Now I just gotta tighten those 2 bolts up here. And that's it. And I'll put the wheels back on, lower it, and see what the height is, or where the height's at. Alright, so that's how it looks right there. Not too bad. It looks about even to the front. Yeah, I did just a quick height adjustment, similar to this shock right here, and it came out perfect. So now I gotta remove the wheel and take the measurement on this, do it on the other side, and then lock up that little collar. Alright, so there it is. Suspension's on. That's the right height I wanted at right there. Boom. It was really low at first. Now it looks much better. I think it looks even. I hope. Right? Yeah, yeah, no, yeah. This side, I think this side's lower than, no, looks about even. Looks even, right? Looks good. It looks beautiful. Oh my god. I need to change out those bulbs. But damn, love it. It rides amazing. Ah, it's so nice. Love it. Love it. The ride quality is amazing. It's not as stiff. It's a perfect ride quality. Still a little bit bumpy, but it's very doable. I don't know if I want to raise it up more, but that's it right there. I don't know if you can see in there. But yeah. Ooh, but yeah, it's getting cold. I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm glad I got the suspension on. I had that thing laying around for I think 5-6 months, maybe longer. I got it from some guy on OfferUp, brand new out of the box, and yeah, killer deal. Couldn't pass it up. Went to go get it, never put it on, and I don't know why I was dreading it, but yeah, I'm glad I did it because it feels amazing, and yeah, can't get enough of it. Oh man. Alright guys, see ya.